Okay, I'm gonna go check on Aiden. Aiden was crying, and no word of a lie, Aiden was right there. Right here. Where is Aiden? He's not over here. He's not over here. He's not over here. He's not over here. Aiden, where are you? Boo! Aiden is under his bed. Someone's moving. Aiden, how did you get over here? You have to be crawling. Go, boo! Peekaboo! 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 Hey, Grammy, you have to get your house baby-proof now. No more leaving you unattended for a quick minute. All right, Mommy will rescue you. All right. Here's the convict. Bye. Bye.